Welcome back again in the kitchen again one more time with a cooking program, guys. A few days ago I made some lovely beef patty and it goes really well and a lot of people like the recipe. So someone requests some cheesy beef patty today and I'm definitely gonna make it, guys. So I'll make it for you. Hopefully it will benefit you and you will make use with the kids and with it, and also you can make a lot of portion of patty at home. God, this recipe is just a basic recipe, simple, easy to follow. If you cannot get food coloring, you can always use curry powder. Let your water well cold when you're gonna use it to make the pastry. Guys, enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. This recipe, I put egg in the mixture just to test it to see what's the difference. You can use shortening in the pastry, olive oil, or vegetable oil if you want to put a teaspoon of it inside of it, butter and salt. It's basic recipe, guys, and I know you will make this at home. It's just not complicated, it's just so simple. So guys, hopefully it will benefit you and it will help you to make some cheese beef patty at home with the kids then for this summer. Enjoy the recipe. Welcome back again. Thank you very much, Chef Ricardo cooking program. We're back in the kitchen again, guys. I get a request to make some Jamaican cheesy beef patty, and today we're gonna make some lovely cheesy beef patty. So first thing we need to do is get 2 cups of plain flour. Lovely. That's 1 cup of the plain flour. What we're gonna do, we're gonna sieve them. We're gonna sieve both cups of plain flour. That's the other cups of plain flour. So that's 2 cups of plain flour, guys. And we're gonna put some curry powder. If you don't have food coloring, you can use curry powder, as I said before in my first video. Curry powder will still give it a nice look, same way. And I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon and a half worth of curry powder. And also we're gonna put some salt. Half teaspoon of salt. And just simple combine it together like this. So I say if you can't get food coloring, you can use curry powder. Nice one. And what we're gonna do is just sieve it like this. Come out really perfect and nice, guys, when you do it like this. So when you sieve it, this is what left inside of your sieve, and it makes the flour a little bit lighter, guys. To be honest with you, it's just make the flour really light and nice. Basically, I have some butter. I have a large spoon of butter, roughly, I would say 4 ounces, 3 ounces of butter right here, which we're gonna put inside of it, and I'm using some unsalted butter. Then basically I just put the butter straight inside of it like this. Remember, unsalted butter, and it's 3 ounces of unsalted butter. We have 1/4 cups of water, and it is really cold, chilly water. If it's not cold enough, put it in your fridge and get it chilled really properly. So basically use a hand and combine the flour and the butter just like this. Guys, we're gonna make the pastry first, and then we're gonna put the pastry straight inside of the fridge for it to set for about 20 minutes. Basically, that's what we're gonna do. Lovely and nice. Then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna simple put a teaspoon of vegetable oil inside of it. Just a little teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can use shortening, as I said before. Shortening is good for it, but I can't get those stuff, guys. It's very hard to get shortening, so I just use the ingredients which I do have. But what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to get a proper flakes, so I'm gonna try a beaten egg inside of it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of egg, just like this. I'm trying to get the outside of the patty really flaky, so I'm gonna try some egg. Forget it really proper flaky, like when you go to Jamaica and you buy a nice patty, you say, oh my days, this is flaky. The best thing is to use the shortening, and there's another thing which also you can use. So I'm gonna put the rest of the egg. Nice one. As you can see, that's just so beautiful and nice. So So today we're gonna make you some lovely cheesy beef patty, guys. It's gonna be amazing. Then next thing is to get the water. Add a bit of water. I say you're not gonna need all of the water, guys. It's just a bit of pastry which we are making right here. As you can see, the color of the patty start to get in really right there. So chew it a little bit too much water. What you can do, dip your hand in it like this. Because the butter and also the egg will help it to come together. So dip your hand in it. Lovely. So as I said, we don't need all of that water. And that's what you're looking for. Inside of your bowl is supposed to be clean like this. Nice one. Then next thing, get your clean flame right over here and wrap it tight and put it into your fridge for 20 minutes. So as you can see, today we're gonna make your cheesy beef patty, guys. You're gonna love this one. Yeah, put it in the fridge for 20 minutes and it will be ready. After you cook your minced meat, make it cool down, and then we're gonna roll it out and make some cheesy beef patty. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. As I said earlier, I take my pastry from the fridge. As you can see, it's really hard like a rock, and that's what you're looking for. So that's the pastry, guys, looking lovely and nice. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some cheesy beef patty. First thing, cut it down into half like this, like this, like this. Nice and lovely. And basically put this at the side. Then what you're gonna do next, a little bit of flour on the surface, and then we're gonna roll out this piece with the rolling pin. This is the key. The rolling pin is the key, guys. Nice and lovely. Pastry feels so good. Lovely and nice. Then over to the other side, as you guys can see. And I'm telling you, I can stay right here and roll out at least 500 patty just like this. I'm using a large bowl just to cut out the patty mixed. So as you can see, then use a knife and make a circle around it. Lovely and nice. All of these wastes on the outside, you just put them at the side. That even can roll out and make another one. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's just really beautiful and nice. So what we're gonna do now, so first thing, give it a wash with some milk around the side, just like this. Nice one. Then you get your mince. Nice one. Nice. Get your mince and just lay it right here, guys. I'm using a finer mince. The other day I used some thick mince because when I go to the local shop I couldn't get that one, and I need like this one. This one is much better. Put some cheese on it like this, guys. This is a cheesy beef patty. Nice one. Then get your pastry and take your time and fold it over like this. What you're gonna do, you're gonna use a fork and crush this edges. But before you brush, just give it a little brush first, just to seal it with a little milk. Nice one. You can also trim it like this, guys, if you do like, just to make your patty look neat and nice. Then use a fork. That's simple. Give it a nice on top. That's the first patty, but I'm gonna make another one for you guys to see exactly what I just did. So if you get your dough and roll out the dough just like this. Nice one. And as I said, you can always use food coloring if you do like. If you don't like curry powder, you can use food coloring. Nice one. As you can see, lovely and nice. Just easy for it to lift up. Get your bowl, because that's the right size of the bowl to cut out the patties. So the mixture, cut some little circle around it like this. The next time I have some mince gonna be left back. We're gonna make some meatloaf for you guys. As you can see how to do meatloaf. If not, you can also lift it up like this. That's easy to lift up when you do the pastry. So just a little bit of milk, brush around the edge of it like this. Don't want to put too much mince like the first one, but it's nice to have mince enough the patty. That's when you're eating it, you can taste it. That's mince are inside of it. Nice one. So then we're gonna put some cheese. Cheesy beef patty. I know you guys are gonna love this one. Basically recipe this, guys. You can do this at home. It's not complicated, as you can see. All you need to do is just cook your mince, cool it down, get some cheese, and simple fold it just like this. Just like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Just to get it sealed properly. Brush a little bit on top of it like this. Just to seal it, because it's good to seal it. Use a fork. Just gently squeeze it down like this. Preheat your oven first, guys. Please preheat your oven. That's the key. And also, as I say, you can trim them around if you do like, just to make your patty them look neat. Lovely. This one is finished. Yeah, so as I can see, we're gonna make some more just to show you guys how they come out really perfect. Nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use the fork and finish off this one by simple punch the top of it just like this. You're not gonna be just bore top. Just simple basically drip the top just like this. Just a little bit of air to go through the pastry. That's the bake, really nice. So preheat your oven for rough before you put them in, and put it on gas mark 6 is enough for it for 12 to 15 minutes. Enjoy the recipe, guys. It's really nice, fantastic. This is the cheesy beef patty, guys. You will love it. It's nice, basic, simple recipe. So hopefully you will subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching the cooking program. Lovely. I just take them from the oven, guys. As you can see, even the cheese just melting out of it. Oh my days, they're gonna love this recipe. It's so simple, easy, and really nice to make at home, guys. So hopefully the recipe will benefit. I'm just gonna show you how they look on the plate now. Lovely and nice. So that's the first one I just take out from the off the plate. Guys, the patty them so nice. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments. Just really nice. Just really, really nice. They come out really good, guys. And I'm saying you will follow this recipe. It's just a basic recipe how to make some patty at home with the kids. Make some, bring it to work, share it to a co-worker and your friends. Yeah, we love this recipe, guys. Just easy and basic recipe and so simple, nice to make, and hopefully guys will love the recipe. Please leave your comments and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching the cooking program. Bye bye. Really nice, and they're just beautiful, guys. But as you can see, they come out perfect and they're looking so fantastic, guys. Right now you just need a bottle of ginger beer and just have a nice cheesy beef patty, guys. So hopefully you will like the recipe, and please leave your comments if you think it's a nice recipe, and if you like the recipe. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye. That's really nice, and the cheese just melt out inside of it, guys. Enjoy the recipe and please leave your comments.